Welcome to our guide on creating an online platform for ethical animal products. Today, we'll explore valuable resources to help you make informed and sustainable choices. First, let's dive into some essential books. The Ethical Meat Handbooks by Meredith Lee offers a comprehensive guide to ethical meat production and consumption. Another great read is The Conscious Kitchen by Alexandra Zissou, which provides tips for making ethical and sustainable food choices, including finding and buying ethical animal products. For those who prefer listening, check out The Splendid Table, a podcast. It covers a wide range of food-related topics, including ethical meat production and sustainable agriculture. YouTube also offers valuable content. The Ethical Omnivore's Guide to Eating Meat from TEDx Manhattan provides an overview of the ethical meat movement and tips for informed meat consumption. If you're interested in courses, Ethical Eating, From Farm to Fork from the University of California, Berkeley, explores ethical and environmental issues related to food production and consumption. AI tools can also be incredibly helpful. Beyond Labeling uses machine learning to analyze the sustainability of beef production and identify areas for improvement. Thank you for joining us on this journey to create an online platform for ethical animal products. We hope these resources help you make more informed and sustainable choices.